Welcome to the Woyu channel. The price of Bitcoin has returned to the 100,000 USDT mark after 4 months. Congratulations to all Bitcoin miners. For new friends who want to experience the fun of mining at home, today we will review the Lottery Machine series, which is perfect for beginners. In front of me are various models of lottery machines. They are primarily designed for home use. Most prioritize low power consumption and quiet operation. They are compact in design and support solo mode for testing luck. Some models also support regular mining, but their profits are generally lower. Next, let's review some well-known, popular lottery machine brands. We have produced many episodes featuring Lucky Miner's products. These 3 models in front of me are from the Lucky Miner family. This device, shaped like a USB drive, is the LV03 with a hash rate of 74 kilohashes, 1 watt only. Its current power efficiency ratio seems almost unbelievable. This machine, resembling a C4 explosive, is the LV05 from Lucky Miner, with 320 gigahashes of hash rate. The LG07 is a unique model. It is not for mining Bitcoin, but is used for solo mining Doge or Litecoin. It is the first lottery machine for the Litecoin algorithm, with a hash rate of approximately 11 megahashes per second. Power only 12 watts. Lucky Miner also has the LV06, LV07, and LV08. We have previously done review videos on these. Interested friends can click the link in the comments to jump directly when discussing Bitcoin miners. The Bitaxe series of solo machines cannot be ignored. The entire series is open source and highly customizable. For example, the classic Bitaxe Gamma 601 has a power consumption of just 17 watts, yet achieves 1 terahash per second. The entire series has impressive power efficiency. This machine is currently on sale with massive discounts, priced under 100 USDT. There is also a prototype, the unreleased Supra Hex with 4.2 terahashes per second for Bitcoin lottery mining, and power consumption of 90 watts. Pre-orders are now open. Contact our Telegram group for rock-bottom prices. Another rising star in lottery machines is Avalon. Avalon specializes in Bitcoin mining machines. Today, we will focus on Nano 3 and Nano 3S. On paper, both have the same power consumption, 140 watts, but the Nano 3 seconds hash rate is approximately 2 terahashes per second higher. My most used machine is the Nano 3. It has been accompanying me daily in my office, with almost no noise and no noticeable overheating, calculating solo mining at 4 terahashes per second. The annual probability of winning is 1 in 4,389. Every day at work, I hold a tiny hope that suddenly, boom, 3.1 to 5 Bitcoins appear in my account. I currently have Nano 3 in stock. Since my boss is on a business trip to Dubai, he can't control me and can't stop me from selling at a loss, so I am offering a Nano 3 super discount coupon. Join our Telegram group or visit our official website to claim it. If you want a higher chance of winning, you can switch your solo hash rate to Bitcoin Cash or eCash. Your winning probability will skyrocket. To summarize, the mainstream brands are Lucky Miner, Bitaxe, and Avalon. Among these machines, the highest hash rate comes from Avalon Nano 3S, with 6 terahashes per second. The most cost-effective is Lucky Miner's LV07, with a power efficiency ratio of 13.75 joules per terahash. If you want to experience solo mining, or the fun of home mining, and start small-scale mining at home, feel free to contact us. Join our Telegram group and get the latest discounts and updates.